Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Cooper hood. First, find the primary hood release lever, typically located on the driver's side near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a click, and the hood will pop up slightly, indicating the first latch has disengaged. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary release mechanism. Now move to the front of your Mini Cooper. Look under the front edge of the hood, usually near the center or slightly to one side. You'll find a small secondary safety latch. Depending on your model, you might need to push a lever or slide a tab to the side. Once this secondary latch is released, you can fully lift the hood. Sometimes the hood might not open smoothly. If it doesn't pop up after pulling the interior lever, check for any debris or obstructions around the latch area. A stiff latch can often be resolved by applying a good quality lubricant. If the problem persists, the release cable might be stretched or broken, requiring further inspection or replacement. To close the hood, gently lower it until it's about 12 inches from the closed position. Then, press down firmly on the hood, applying even pressure to engage both the primary and secondary latches. You should hear two distinct clicks, confirming it's securely closed. For more helpful tips and great product recommendations, like those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.